Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. Yes, my patio deck is looking a hot mess, but that's okay. Actually, that is some good soil. So what I'm going to do, I propagated some scandapsis, and I'm gonna use this cute little pot that I purchased from America Thrift Store for $2.99. It says a vase, but let me tell y'all, it has a hole at the bottom of it, and you know what that means for a plant mommy like me. I'm going to utilize it. Look at these roots, guys. They look awesome. I had them in some water for a while, and then I'm going to combine that with some propagations that I had in sphagnum moss. I typically have a better outcome with sphagnum moss, but surprisingly the water propagation actually worked for me. And now I'm ready to pot because I can't get over how stinking cute this planter is. So let's just go ahead and do it, guys. Oh yeah, and I have another propagation I'm going to pot as well. So overall goodness. And if you see some smoke, guys, that is my sage bundle that I have out here that I purchased from Five and Below. It was just too stinking cute, and I just decided to go ahead and burn my sage while I just plant. Like, it's so therapeutic, and the ones who know, the girls who get it, get it. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm just gonna take this out, and I'm going to use some soil that I have mixed up. Actually, I don't really have it mixed up. This is the soil that I typically use, and what I typically use is Fox Farm. Again, my plant mommies and daddies out there, if you know, you know.
To be honest with you guys, this planter vase that I'm using, I literally thought about it. It would have been perfect if I had a string of pearls or a string of turtles or string of spades, to which I've always wanted. It would have been perfect for this type of planter that I'm using. But I could not get over how freaking gorgeous the planter is, and I wanted to use it. So my scandapsis was the perfect setting for it for now, until it grows out of it, which probably will be soon, because as you can tell, those roots, baby, those roots are rooting. And I am placing my propagations to grow outside of the planter there, so the shoots are growing the opposite side. One thing I can say about sphagnum moss is that I typically have a 99.9% of healthy roots and healthy propagation. To be honest with you, like, I used to propagate philodendron, Brazils, and pothos and such in water, and for some reason I really didn't have the best outcome. But this sphagnum moss, baby, let me tell you, it never fails. Most of my propagation with sphagnum moss is typically awesome. So this is what it's looking like. I am going to place it in some water, to which you see at the bottom there. That is the water that I propagated the cuttings there. And I love it. Oh my god, it's so stinking cute. Alrighty guys, so I grabbed a terracotta pot that was literally sitting next to me. Yeah, I need to wash it off, but it's looking a little wonky there. So I realized that I had more cuttings, more propagations, and I add that to the pot as well to make it a little bit more fuller. And I also had some global green that I added to another pot. So overall, I'm happy. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.